I love to use organic fertilizers in the garden, not only in the flower garden, on my lawns, and on my vegetables, but here we're standing in a field of peonies. And this is one of my favorite varieties. It's one of the coral series, early to come up in the spring. And plants do need fertilization every year. I like organic fertilizers because since they're slow release. I mean, this has got feather meal, bone meal, it's got chicken products in it, and you can smell it, and you can smell all the goodness in this. Now, in front of me I have two different types. Biotone Starter Plus is what I like to use for new plantings. We're not going to do that today. But if you're going to plant new plantings, Biotone Starter Plus gives that plant an extra oomph. But on yearly applications, and I do it at least once a year, sometimes in the spring and in the fall, I like Plantone. Plantone is for a wide range of plants. Now, if you have things like azaleas, rhododendrons, gardenias, or hollies, I like to use Hollytone because it has a lower pH. Now, I've already poured it. Now, I sometimes like a bucket, like a 5-gallon pail with a handle, or you can just go ahead, and I just used an empty litter container to make my own bucket. Always follow the label directions, but what you're going to do is you're going to fertilize these plants, and I usually use 2 to 3 handfuls around a plant. So I just broadcast this. There's 2 plants here. And so every plant in your garden, you're going to fertilize, and you're going to try to put the fertilizer, because the roots come out a little farther than these plants, because these plants are going to get this big and this tall. I use this on trees, shrubs, ground covers, and right now or sometime in the spring, it's a great time. Dad and I use it on our dailies, and we may not have a chance to fertilize them till a month from now. So even in May, we'll fertilize our plants. And I have to tell you, when you use something like Espoma Organic Foods, you can do your own test. Take some plants, don't fertilize, or even in a lawn, take a spot and broadcast it, and you'll see a tremendous difference. I'm in the Shenandoah Valley. I'm Mark Viette. Join me next time.